In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Wix. Whether you're a small business owner or a budding content creator, Wix's email marketing platform, Ascend by Wix, makes it easy to engage with your audience. First, let's get started by logging into your Wix dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Marketing and SEO, then choose Email Marketing. This is where Ascend by Wix comes into play, providing you with all the tools you'll need for crafting the perfect email campaign. Next, click on Email Marketing and then select plus Create New Campaign. You'll be met with a variety of templates tailored for different purposes such as newsletters, promotions, announcements, or events. If you prefer to have total creative control, you can start with a blank email. Now it's time to design your email. The drag and drop editor is your best friend here. Add elements like text, images, buttons, social links, dividers, and even products with ease. Don't forget to amp up your branding by uploading your logo and using your brand's colors and fonts to ensure consistency. If you want to add a personal touch, consider integrating personalization tags like the recipient's first name into the email. A crucial part of your email marketing is your audience. In the recipient section, you can choose your contacts from your Wix CRM, import them via a CSV file, or even create segments to target specific groups. Remember, it's essential to ensure that your contacts have given their consent for email marketing. This helps you stay compliant with GDPR and anti-spam laws, which is very important. Let's move on to setting up the email settings. Start by entering a campaign name for your internal tracking. Then add a catchy and clear subject line along with a preview text. This is where you grab your audience's attention right from their inbox. You'll also want to set the from name and email address. This could be from a custom email like hello@yourbusiness.com, giving your communications a more professional edge. Finally, you'll decide when to send your email. You have two options here. Send now for immediate delivery, or schedule to send it at a time that you select. As a pro tip, consider scheduling your emails during peak engagement times, which are often noted as being midweek in the mornings, so Tuesday through Thursday could be your best window. Once your emails are out, tracking their performance is the next step. Go back into your dashboard under Email Marketing, then Campaigns, and finally Reports. Here, you'll find valuable data such as open rates, click-through rates, unsubscribes, and even conversions if you're connected to Wix stores. Use these insights to fine-tune your future campaigns and keep your email marketing strategy evolving. And that's it, an easy-to-use guide to mastering email marketing with Wix. Happy emailing!